국 열에? This is at the heart of Cook Madikeri. Jauh pergi langsung masuk ke pesawat. Chana pig di hao mai pam je bani. Cái gì đấy? Phun là cái phải. गोटे जगह जाइए खाली बोलते तो हम बोल जाएंगे राजा सिट गार्डन मदिकेरी चॉकलेट टाइम चा दो try to this. How bring sih? Cara kangen. Cook style. Cook tinola. Cook dry. Cook gravy. Ini sini chicken dry. Jadi try to tak betare. Try sih mati ini yenge. Vegetable cuma cek. How do they manage? Besar. Besok. Kadang sudah tahu bang. Masih dia tu sih nak kau ahan boy nak. Kita ada Elephant Park dah Hong Sali dan tang ye ga dum ator ke Harangi Tree Park and Elephant Games ini je pen lai je okay Are you quick breakfast? Ôi ngâm đó phải thấm lên cái gì?
कैसे खिलाएंगे? नान दिया है बनी मुझे नाल हेलो ना कोकटा रसन लो
पिजरा
बुरे की त्रो
sini view point lagi samum tanya mbak Sure. Like watching to ini. Ini sepuluh orang macam ni. Wait for it. In camera na hai. Jangan lagi. Umang jangan lagi. Ni di se. Umang pasal tali se.
Wah, maya, mama kau wah tu kau itu ni apa? Usoi ti lagi, usoi. Nasi tu nak kau dah apa sih? Kamu ni di mana pan ni?
Cabu wah apa apa ice cream sahabat lagi ya?
Kau kau biru kau. Kau ngap tu kau dan tu kan? Kau ngap kau. Aku wah maya, kau mesti kita menung dah wah makan kau hai apa kau? Wah makan kau hai tu. Wah yang pada nak nak ID usoi tu pula kita boleh panggil. Wah maya tu. Wah sekarang mau wah maya sih.
Tiket.
Kaveri river dah boating tu sih. River beach na mo, abang beach na mo.
Kaya ni turian ni hari nangka.
Nanti he breeze na mo have di thong na mo have ni he. No ye. Ako boating tu dia ni ku dalaga ko singda. Ai je khwai di sing ki ba mi ne te da kasi.
Ada jo Kaveri river.
Kaveri river dah boating tu dia. Edit ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Lusu. Thawdare ne. Ako botongi. Jangan lupa guys. Walu. God Park Sule hai, Deer Park Haji ki Sule hai. Sini kau jegi yang dulu.
To go Jurassic Jungle Safari.
Wah merekta wah ngata. Wah ada makan di park ni. Video ini loh. Kau cuma je sari kisah tu semai.
Jadi sini.
Ayo mui pai.
Pak soal lain.
Namigi. Oh, isya na para ka naman diwali mo di sai. Wow, nice. Nagsidre mo ni. Sa. Saji dim to uti.
Figure it out.
Saji pak me hai saji dim to uti.
Is that an antelope or what?
River chalo.
Chalo kau.
Chalo ya. Adi nambi ke nambi.
Kau yang ini ada. Bukan. Kau yang tak. Apa kau ni? Kau ni.
Guys na wali ni lagi lah oi.
Kopi palas na.
This wood can be used. And by this, a right-sided one, which having a young pink leaf with it. So that isn't cinnamon tree, it is cinnamon. So cinnamons, you guys know the spice. That spice, like in a wood piece only, will get. For that, no need of cutting trees. Just the bark need to be extracted by it. 2 layers of the bark need.
Kopi. Kapi.
the coffee need to be protected by the harsh sunlight. That's the reason the huge trees are grown over here. So fruiting trees also is like jackfruit. Like next to it, that's a jackfruit tree. This is a variety of a fig, anjeer. So by this also, like benefits are there for us also. Like fruits are machineries, no extraction of oil, nothing happens.
Natural and dry.
Just a dry. But black peppercorns, if you powdered it, the powder doesn't look black in color. It goes for a greyish or whitish. So that because our peppercorns having this, and by hand smashing, that outer skin can be removed, and you can take out the seed, and that seed looks lighter white in color, and that is what your white pepper is. The coffee got spreaded out to the whole world. So here, and also in other side of a plantation, like you know that Brazil is the largest production of a coffee in the world. So they also having the same plant that what we had grown here, but environment is different, and production is completely like here the less of production, the Brazil having a best of the variety of coffee. By looking at the plant, you can tell them which variety it is. The coffee plant that grows like a little tree, like the thick trunk, a bushy kind of growth, wider and lengthier leaf, and middle of the trunk having no branches with it. This is we consume more of caffeine. A high BPR one, they need to consume less of caffeine or the less of coffee. So the coffee, the Arabica, that after roasting,
Arabia coffee
and taste-wise it not be a stronger bitter. If you ever drink like an India's instant coffee or for the filter coffee, that Arabica is good. Like aromatic flavored coffee you can make from it. But Robusta, if you are using, you will get the strength like bitteriness, a stronger variant of coffee. If you wanted to make that Robusta is best for you. A high. Coffee berries. So the coffee berries by removing of a skin. So if you're having a lesser quantity, manually also we can do it. But bulk, if it is, machineries need to be used. The pulper machines. Our pulper machines will remove the skin and they'll give the seed back. And the seed after drying, that will be like this. So this is a raw coffee. A raw coffee for the factory. So this need to be roasted, and roasting temperature is like 100, 120, sometimes 150. And if you need a less of time to coffee, like in 10 or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you need up 15 years. For the flavoring and tasting, this is the one. For the espressos of the American of
Raja City viewpoint dagi sunset ni taramdai. Nasina numit ahum suba. Today is the third day and will be the final day at Coorg. Oh, this was a plain only. Sa class mo sa pati jokoy. Duna chatli dana.
Your best ni. Falls sa abi falls sa koi ri hai. Ako waterfall koi jara e maning waterfall lai nang chot kore nang chot kore.
Chal.
Ising yam lai. Ising thapni ko. Kapur e batai lao.
Abi falls ki koi chingdon ni forest view ni. Yaw ko dare.